If you're encountering an enrollment error on Section School 2026, follow these simple steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause enrollment errors. Step 2. Clear browser cache. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Update browser. Make sure your web browser is up to date. An outdated browser may not support the latest features of the Section School platform, leading to errors. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Temporarily disable any browser extensions or add-ons that might interfere with the enrollment process. Some extensions can block necessary scripts or functions. Step 5. Contact support. If the error persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Section School support team. Provide them with details about the error for more personalized assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the enrollment error quickly. If issues continue, don't hesitate to seek further help from support.